Hey guys, this is Austin, and today's video is installing these guys, the window switches for the Fiero. One really common problem with Fieros is that their windows go up and down really slow. And there's a couple ways to solve that. You can replace these switches, which get corroded and high resistance after a while. That might give you a little boost. You can put like a relay to bypass the switch entirely, a power relay that Rodney Dickman sells in there. Those are somewhat pricey though. And then you can also replace your window motors altogether, which can be hundreds of dollars and a lot more effort than just replacing the switches. So the Fiero store sells these for $25. A little pricey if you ask me. I'm gonna show you how to install those. Open the ashtrays and take those out, and that will reveal two 7mm bolts on either side. Take those out. An easy way of doing this is just lift this guy up like that. Don't bother taking the shifter off. If you do opt to do that, there is a clip. I'm gonna go upside down here. There, that you got to pry out with a screwdriver, and then the shifter, I think it unscrews. So if you want to replace your shifter boot, you can do that exact thing. So I use an ashtray to wedge that up. Then once these three screws are out of here, they're also 7mm. This guy lifts out, revealing a couple connectors that you'll have to disconnect. So after the two outside connectors are off, if you're replacing both switches, you can kind of peel this back, and that reveals two screws on each switch, so both 7mm. Go ahead and take those off. These are actually unique to each side. This is the up direction on the driver's side. I'm getting 15, 16 ohms, seeing as high as 20. Whoa, 20 ohms. And this is the down direction. It is 2 to 3 ohms. That's not good. So this is the new switch. We've got 0.4 ohms on the one direction and 0.6 ohms on the other direction. That's why you replace these. So the new one doesn't seem to have as much of a click. Kind of like that old click noise, but it'll probably be worth getting the windows open though. So there's the old and the new. They are directional, so put them in the correct slots. So it'll be a good idea to hook them up before you're done and test it. So keep in mind that the rear of the connector, there's 4 pins on one side to the one end. Make sure those 4 pins are actually pointing this way. Bad. I don't think you'll even shut when the door's closed because it's got the seals to worry about. Well, there you go. I'd appreciate it if you guys liked and would subscribe to my channel. And go ahead and comment if you have any more questions or want to see anything else done.